So yesterday I went and picked up my two birds. These are Fracking Wolf times Anwar. I had my cousin fly for me last year for 2023, part of a nomination race. So this one is a daughter of Anwar. I've tested them myself for the siblings. I wanted to see how these two fly for him. The hen is this one. This is 13557. She was actually his second nomination bird that came back on the 300. So brought her back to back home. I'll be using her as a breeder since she's pretty much home in Minnesota. So I like Anwar's kids. I only got one direct daughter as of right now, and this is number 2. So Omega 42 is actually a full sibling, full sister, and she's produced some pretty good babies last year. But this is the hen, the daughter of Anwar. Beautiful hen. Alright, so here's the nest mate to 13557. This is 13558. So it was part of the nomination race too for the Twin City Concourse. I believe my cousin said they both had their days. One flew better than the other, but for sure the hen was the one that came back early for him during the nomination race 300. But here's the cock. It's a full brother to Alpha 41. It's kind of some of the lines my family that I've been working with, and I think they can get me somewhere. That's why I brought them back. This one's nice, bigger, medium-sized build. So I'm gonna be using him as a breeder too. Yeah, Alpha 41 breeding. Actually got him paired up with Miss 300. Alpha was paired up with Lady Hoban, but she got a little rough after her eggs, so those pair didn't work out. So Alpha 41 is paired up to Miss 300, one of my young hens. Seca 6397 times Grandpa Ali, their kid. So right now the Hoban hen is doing really good. I'm gonna pair Alpha 41's full brother to her. That was the mating I wanted, and since they're the same blood, I don't think it'll make a difference. Plus this guy flew a 300, so should be good to go. Got them back yesterday. Get them ready, at least get 2 rounds for 2024. Nice size blue bar cock.